My name's Luke, and I'm going to be playing Snape.
My name's Edward, and I'm going to be playing Ron.
My name's Jack, and I'm going to be playing Dumbledore.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here? Is it over there? Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Dumbledore! Dumbledore!
Snape,
Dumbledore! Dumbledore!
singing a song all day long at home.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay!
Voldemort.
Voldemort. Who?
Voldemort.
Voldemort. Ba-dum, bum,
That was this
bum, bum.
mysterious
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
And good night.